Hello everyone, I am Nilay, back with another brand new product from Iconic. Couple of months ago we have reviewed the Iconic noise cancelling headphones. I will drop a link in card if you wanna check. Today in this video, I will unbox and review this amazing Iconic wireless stereo Bluetooth earphones with charging case. On the front, we have this beautiful looking product design with Iconic logo and model number. While on the side it has quick features mentioned such as Bluetooth 5.0, wireless charging, noise reduction, IPX5, AI assistant, 500 mAh battery, while on the rear specifications with inside and general equipment information. Opening the box, we get this premium looking plastic mold carrying this case. Well, we check that later on. Let's put it aside. Next we get medium, small and large silicone ear tips. The medium is in the case. Another is a standard USB cable. With this green card you get free 12 months extended warranty by sending your order number to Amazon. At the last here is a user manual with 6 different languages. The instruction manual is also detailed, so you can use it as soon as you read the only buttons you are likely to use. Finally, focusing on at the case, the matte finish gives it premium look with Iconic logo, while LED on the front indicates battery of charging case. The first and third indicator will keep blinking for the earbuds while it's in charging box. On the side it's a USB output port. Inside the case the earbuds are so perfectly designed with curved edges. The walls of the case is glossy. There is a protective film on your Iconic earbud that needs to be removed from the charging part of each earbud before use. Thanks to precision designed casing, Iconic TWS Bluetooth earbuds prevents water and sweat from penetrating and damaging its sensitive components. Adopts ergonomic design and can be fitted firmly to the ear. The silicone earpieces that are soft, providing a comfortable fit for both ears. The earphone itself is small and lightweight. It is hard to fall off and has a good fit. Build quality is excellent. Magnetic closing case closes with precision. Sound quality is good. Pairing is seamless and straight through. Whenever you remove earbuds together from the case, both earphones flashes quickly and enter interconnection state automatically. After successful interconnection, the left earphone stops blinking, which means ready to pair. By reducing the noise around with a high quality microphone, a clear call was realized even it's wireless. With a large capacity 500 mAh battery case, you can fully charge the earphones 3 to 4 times. We realized evolve clear and powerful sound and can enjoy to stereo music. IPX5 waterproof design is equipped with waterproof and anti-sweat performance that withstands use during sweating and bathing in sports such as running and gym, sweat and light rain during workout. The Bluetooth earbuds with a 5.8 mm speaker diameter, noise isolation and pioneering audio technology delivers highly clear and accurate in-ear sound. The one-button design enables one-handed operation such as music playback, pause, call, start and deny. True wireless Bluetooth 5.0 technology provides in-call stereo sound. Most unique feature of these earbuds is supports three-way calling. Just by touching the panel lightly, you can call from both earbuds hands-free with the latest binaural call technology. Because of the left and right separation type, it can be used with one or both ears. There are a number of illegal products distributed ignoring the radio law, but this product has acquired the technical suitability mark and can be used safely. Not only it allows for strong bass to be provided, the battery life goes a long time. They are rated 4 hours, but I have never it had run low even after 3 hours of use. High quality sound with the support of high resolution AAC and standard codec SBC. It transmits musical information from the sound of each instrument and the breath of a singer to live heart without losing details. It fits on my ear so nicely that I could not feel it and I can wear it for whole day. I loved the design which fits perfect to any ears. Even on calls, earbuds scores 10 on 10. There is no cons as such, but I feel trouble while interconnecting both earbuds. The left earbud keep blinking and unable to quick factory reset. Moreover, the touch functions are a bit tricky. I truly think that the product is much better than the overpriced Apple AirPods. I would highly recommend my friends for it over other earbuds. I will drop a link in description if you wish to buy. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe us and press the bell icon to get regular notification. Thank you for being with me, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.